Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to have cute icons on Facebook profile in 2022. It's very simple and easy. When you open your Facebook app, just go to your profile. If you use Android device, tap on three lines at the top right corner. If you use iPhone iOS device, tap on three lines at the bottom right corner. From now any steps as for Android as for iPhone iOS device are the same. Just go to your profile. Here tap on see your profile. Alright, from profile just tap on edit profile here. Then scroll down, in very bottom you will see links. Near links says add. Just tap on add. And here we should add any social link. Just tap on add social link. Then select platform. For example, I select YouTube. You can select any of these platforms. Then tap on user name, and here select on your keyboard any of emoji. For example, I want add this emoji. You can add any of your emojis. Then go back to your keyboard and then tap on done. Alright, next step, we should save this emoji. Just tap on save at the top right corner. Wait some time. Alright, then go back to profile. Okay, just reload this page, and here you will see your funny emoji on your main profile. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.